Volkswagen e-Golf lithium battery Powerwall update part 3. Alright guys, I'm just trying to show you guys today. I'm pushing these batteries. Really pushing them hard. And since Saturday I made a video I posted, and guys, you see this battery from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, today, 3 days consecutively. 3 days they've been running the house. I have to show you the state of charge we are at now. Here we go. We are running a 24 volt in the system, and these are 24 volts 300 amp hour battery bank or Powerwall. 8 of them, series, all in parallel and series configuration. Here we go. This is the Magnum Energy, and is a 24 volt. It's a 4024 PAE. Both of them here. So this is the number we've taken from the battery bank, and we are still going. Let's check the voltage right now. 27.87 volt divided by 4. You have the voltage per each cell, and we went down to 29% state of charge. 29% state of charge. And like I always said, or I've been saying on the past days or the past video, if that was Nissan Leaf, would have been dead. Would have been gone. It just dropped all the way down and shut down. As soon as they're already close to empty, and they have the tendency just to run really fast. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna be initializing a charge. Like I said, I've not been charging this battery. I haven't put them into solar. I'm testing them for, in case or in a time of crisis, how much or how long I have to run these batteries and really call it off. Say we already deplete the batteries. So now I know it's not just like having the battery, massive battery. You have to energize the batteries to make them really know that they've been energized. And it's like an activation thing that turns the battery into from a sleep mode to awake mode, and now they're gonna start absorbing, they're gonna start holding charge better because you already activate that process or whatever thing in them. That's my theory. You can look at it in the other way, but I've never done this before. But guys, now I know I can go 3 consecutive days without a charge with these batteries, and that's what I did. I shut down everything, just running off grid, no charge, no nothing, no solar on it. So these batteries have proven themselves, and I just want to show you guys, and we're gonna initialize charge to see how we're gonna go from here. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Then let's bring it back to here. So we took about 214. The last time was only about 180. We went to 200, and today's 214 amp hours taken from the batteries, and we are sitting at a voltage of 27.84 divided by 4. That will give you the thing. That's it. I'm not gonna go further anymore with this test, and this wrap up the entire test on the Volkswagen e-Golf with a SANYO battery made in Japan, lithium battery, and they already proved themselves. So we're gonna initialize charge from here. Before I leave you guys, a system indicated that is days since the charge. So it's reading now we are heading to the 4th day, because the time we charge, we did our test, that hour is already passed. It already passed that 24 hours. So it's like we're starting another day. So it's like indicating there's the 4th day we're heading to. So I didn't make up these numbers. The system records that. I cannot change these numbers. So guys, we are heading to the 4th day, because we already passed the 24 hours, and now it's reading like the 4th day. Stay tuned. This is the charge we have the last time. We went about 32.93, and we brought the batteries to 27. This is the minimum we went, 27. We are right now 27.70. So that's what the system is seeing. So guys, we're gonna initialize a charge and see how everything is working here. Guys, I just initialized the 240. Let's see what the 240 is gonna do from here. What is? That's it. Well, there we go. The 240 started pumping power, and after that we're gonna initialize the 120. It's climbing. So I programmed that to be at certain amps. So now we're gonna initialize. Okay, the fan kicks in. You can hear it. So we're gonna initialize the 120 right here. Watch the numbers climbing soon. It's gonna sync. Okay, light started flashing. Now the relay connected. We're gonna be pushing over 100 plus. There we go. Sometimes it takes a while for it to cut up and keep going. 130 amps. So we're doing a rapid charge. 36, 37. So just want to show you how we dump in more power. If we go back here, so it just, that's from the 120, so 49 amps, almost 50, because if we go here, so it's getting steady. So it can't let you push too much. It's gonna slow down a little bit, but you get some different phases it goes. So these are the batteries. I respect these batteries. I want more of these batteries. It's a 8.544 kilowatt SANYO lithium power storage, or lithium powerwall, but made in Japan, used by Volkswagen e-Golf. And this is how we charge the batteries right here from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more to come. I have more to come, and today we wrap up the final test for the e-Golf, and this is what we're doing right here. And it's not just a matter of having the batteries, it's a matter of understanding them and see how you can utilize them and how everything works. Okay, we are now jumping to the 28.9, 28.89 volt. Alright, thanks for watching, and love you guys all. Live from the command center, the JW Solar USA. Bye for now. Like and subscribe. These are the batteries. It's a killing machine.